Hi guys, welcome back to another timeless reading. Today's message, how can this benefit me? When it comes to healing or spirituality, we look at things from a different angle. We tend to look at, for example, why is this or that not working like it's supposed to? Okay? Know that the third eye is one of the things that can actually not only help you to see deeper, but bring good fortune in. Also, know that being grounded all the time can help with motivation, creativity, and also restoring the balance. Also, know the importance of your heart. Your heart is not only a bridge between the spiritual, but know that you are safe and always pay attention to your intuition. Thank you, guys.